If you're here, chances are you've heard about the importance of energy. But how do you actually control it? How do you channel your energy for maximum impact in your daily life? In this video, we will explore practical techniques you can start using right now to control your energy and elevate your physical, mental, and emotional states. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content that can help you harness your power, transform your energy, and change your life for the better. With the right tools, you'll be amazed at how much energy you can control and how that control can shape the way you experience your life. So, if you're ready to take your energy to the next level, let's jump right in. Understanding energy control. Why it matters. Before diving into the techniques, it's important to understand exactly what energy control is and why it matters. We tend to think of energy in simple terms. It's either physical, mental, or emotional, but energy is much more than that. It's the essence of everything around us, flowing through our bodies and our environment. Learning to control that energy can have a profound impact on every aspect of our lives. What is energy control? Energy control refers to the ability to manage, direct, and focus your energy in ways that benefit you. It's about being in tune with your energy levels and learning how to replenish or redirect your energy as needed. When you learn to manage your energy effectively, you can experience increased productivity. With focused energy, you can accomplish more in less time. Improved mental clarity. You'll be able to think more clearly and make better decisions. Stronger emotional resilience. You'll find it easier to handle stress and difficult emotions. Greater physical vitality. You'll have the energy needed to stay active and healthy. Better relationships. When your energy is in balance, you're more likely to interact positively with others. Why does energy control matter? Without proper energy control, we may feel drained, overwhelmed, or scattered. We may struggle with focus, suffer from stress, or feel unmotivated. But when we take charge of our energy, we take charge of our lives. We can navigate our challenges with confidence, maintain focus on our goals, and live a more fulfilling life. Assessing your current energy. Before you can start controlling your energy, it's important to assess where you currently stand. Understanding your energy profile is key to creating a plan for improvement. How to assess your energy. Physical energy. How do you feel physically during the day? Are you often tired, or do you feel energized? Do you struggle with fatigue, or do you feel strong and capable throughout the day? Emotional energy. What emotions do you typically experience? Are you often stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed? Or do you feel calm, peaceful, and balanced most of the time? Mental energy. How is your focus? Are you easily distracted, or can you maintain concentration? Do you feel mentally sharp or foggy? Energy drains. Are there particular people, situations, or environments that seem to drain your energy? Identifying these will help you manage your energy more effectively. This assessment is crucial because it gives you a clear understanding of where your energy is being consumed and what areas need more attention. The next step is to start incorporating practices that will help you optimize your energy in all these areas. Basic techniques for energy control, the foundation. Now that you have a better understanding of what energy control is and where you stand, let's explore some fundamental techniques to help you get started. These methods are simple yet powerful, and they can be used throughout the day to restore and direct your energy. 1. Breathing exercises, the power of the breath. Breathing is one of the most effective and easiest ways to control your energy. It's something you do automatically, but when you consciously use your breath, you can quickly shift your energy and emotional state. How to use breath for energy control. Deep breathing. This technique helps to reset your nervous system and energize your body. Sit in a comfortable position and breathe deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes to calm your mind and rejuvenate your energy. Box breathing. Box breathing is a technique often used by athletes and military personnel to stay calm under pressure. Inhale for a count of 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and then hold again for 4. This rhythmic breathing pattern can reduce stress, increase focus, and stabilize your energy. Breathing exercises work by increasing oxygen intake and stimulating the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps to calm your body and clear your mind. This is particularly useful during stressful or overwhelming moments. 2. Grounding techniques. Reconnecting with the earth. Grounding, also known as earthing, is the practice of connecting with the earth's natural energy. The earth is full of electrons that can help rebalance and restore your own energy. By walking barefoot on the earth or simply spending time outdoors, you can feel more centered and energized. How to ground yourself. Walk barefoot on natural surfaces. Find a grassy field, sandy beach, or bare earth, and take off your shoes. Walk for 10 to 15 minutes, focusing on the sensation of the earth beneath your feet. This practice helps you release negative energy and reconnect with the planet's natural rhythm. Sit or stand on the earth. If you can't walk barefoot, sitting or standing with your feet on the ground also works. Spend a few minutes sitting in nature, breathing deeply, and allowing yourself to absorb the earth's energy. Grounding is especially useful when you feel disconnected or drained. It helps restore balance to your energy system, making you feel more relaxed and centered. 3. Energy scanning, tuning into your energy field. We all have an energy field, also known as an aura, that extends beyond our physical body. Learning to tune into this energy field is a powerful way to understand your emotional and physical state. By scanning your energy field, you can detect areas that need attention and begin to redirect energy where it's needed most. How to perform an energy scan. Close your eyes and take several deep breaths to calm your mind. Place your hands a few inches above your body and move them slowly from the top of your head down to your feet. Pay attention to any sensations you feel, such as heat, cold, tingling, or tightness. These sensations often indicate imbalances or blocks in your energy. By becoming more aware of your energy, you can identify areas that need healing or attention. Energy scanning helps you become more attuned to your body and emotions, which is key to energy control. Advanced techniques for energy control. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to explore more advanced techniques for controlling and redirecting your energy. These methods require more practice but are incredibly effective when you want to take your energy management to the next level. 1. Visualization. Using your mind to channel. Energy. Visualization is an incredibly powerful tool for energy control. By visualizing the flow of energy through your body or envisioning a desired outcome, you can direct your energy toward specific goals or intentions. How to use visualization for energy control. Energy flow. Visualization, close your eyes and imagine a bright, healing light entering through the top of your head. Visualize this light filling your body, energizing each cell and bringing you vitality. See the energy flow through your body, clearing blockages and restoring balance. Goal visualization. If you have specific goals, such as achieving a personal or professional milestone, visualize yourself successfully reaching that goal. Imagine the steps you will take, the energy you will need, and the feeling of accomplishment. This helps align your mental energy with your goals and enhances your ability to manifest them. Visualization not only helps you control your energy, but also helps you stay focused on your intentions and goals. It's a key technique for creating the energy you need to bring your dreams into reality. Second movement, shaking and stretching to release. Energy blocks. Physical movement is essential for moving stagnant energy through your body. If you're feeling sluggish, stressed, or mentally foggy, engaging in movement can help release any trapped energy and boost your vitality. How to use movement for energy control. Shaking technique. Stand up straight and gently shake your body. Start with your hands and arms, then move to your legs and torso. Continue for 1 to 2 minutes. This method helps release any stuck energy and gives your system a boost. Stretching. Stretching not only increases flexibility, but also stimulates the flow of energy throughout your body. Focus on gentle yoga or Tai Chi movements, which integrate breath with movement to harmonize your energy. Maintaining energy control. Long-term practices. Energy control isn't just about using techniques sporadically. It's about making these practices part of your daily life. To maintain a high level of energy control, you need to incorporate consistent habits into your routine. 1. Healthy nutrition. The food you consume plays a huge role in the quality of your energy. Eating nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins will fuel your body's energy systems and keep you feeling strong and energized throughout the day. 2. Regular rest and sleep. Sleep is essential for energy restoration. Without proper rest, your body and mind cannot function at their optimal levels. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to ensure that your energy reserves are fully replenished. 3. Setting boundaries. One of the most important aspects of energy control is learning to protect your energy from outside drains. Set healthy boundaries with people, situations, and environments that deplete your energy. Prioritize self-care and activities that nourish your energy. Congratulations! You've now learned some powerful techniques to take control of your energy and start directing it in ways that benefit your life. Whether you choose to focus on breathing, grounding, visualization, or movement, you now have practical tools to help you stay energized, focused, and balanced. Remember, the key to energy control is consistency. Practice these techniques regularly, and soon you'll notice a significant shift in how you feel, think, and interact with the world. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos that can help you tap into your true potential. Stay energized, stay balanced, and take control of your life.